Okay, so if you're here, then you most likely are an introvert, or you're someone that just wants to work for yourself. You don't like working around other people. This is the video for you. And it is so crazy because I remember even when I was like a teenager, I was always looking for like work from home jobs. I was always thinking about ways to work for myself, ways to work at home, because I realized from a young age that I did not like working with other people, and I truly enjoyed being creative on my own and building on my own. So I'm gonna share what I'm gonna share with you guys now, right? Is basically for people that want to be entrepreneurs. So this is not about working for a company or doing work for a company or anything like that. This is if you have that discipline, you have that motivation, you feel driven, or you just feel led. You just feel like this is what I need to be doing. I need to start my own business. I need to work for myself. And it's not about working for a company. It's not about me clocking in. It's about me making things happen. So this video is for you. Okay, and then maybe you don't like to maybe you don't want to even be on camera, like show your face on camera. So number one, and I feel like I always say this in my videos, but you need to have a website and your messaging needs to be clear. It also needs to be easy to navigate. So when people go onto your website, they have to immediately know what you're offering, what you do, what it is that they could find, and it has to be really easy for them to navigate. If it's difficult for them to navigate your website, they're most likely gonna leave, because people now, when they are searching online, they want things to be quick, they want things to be easy. So now what you're going to do is decide what business do you want to start. What do you want to do? I would recommend that you do something that you enjoy and something that doesn't require you to show your face. So for example, if you want to start a clothing boutique, you definitely can start a clothing boutique, but I think that one would be a little more difficult because you are gonna have to show the clothes somehow, and you're gonna have to model the clothes, or you're gonna have to find someone else to model the clothes. So I would recommend having like a jewelry brand or starting digital products, or you could do like sneakers, because sneakers, sandals, things like that, you don't really have to worry about showing your face. You could also do accessories like handbags, or what you can do as well is you could also start a pre-order business. So when you start a pre-order business, most times the companies, they have like stock photos for you to use, but for me, I personally think that it's good to use your own photos, because then you could curate the photos to look a specific way that is like connected to your specific brand. But based on whatever it is that you decide to do, you then have to market. So something that I've learned from promoting on social media is that you have to catch people's attention really quickly. People get bored really easily. People cannot sit through long videos or videos that they have to get an understanding of. It's like they want to know what they're watching really fast. So I would say make sure that your on-screen captions could capture their attention, or the captions that you put at the bottom. Let's say you're posting on Instagram, make sure that your caption stands out. And I actually do have an ebook for different captions. So if you know that you are serious about this, about starting your own business, you definitely should get that guide that I created. It has over 100, it is 101 captions that help you sell so that your business is profitable. So and I feel like this is like key to having a successful business, because when you are posting and you have to post consistently, it is so draining sometimes when you realize you have to find a caption. So along with your captions, you want to make sure that the quality of your content is good. If your quality isn't good, if your quality is grainy, if it looks rushed, people are not going to want to watch. They're not going to they're not going to want to keep up with it. And you also want to make sure that what you're sharing has value. If it has value and it's offering somebody something, then they are most likely going to want to stick around for what you're talking about. It has to be some sort of exchange happening. People, they always need something. When on social media, you have to be offering them something. So if there's nothing in it for them, they're just gonna scroll right past what you're posting and they're gonna move on. So it has to be appealing to others. And again, as I'm motivating you guys, I want to remind you, I have less than 75 followers on TikTok right now, and over 400 people visit my website every single month. Sometimes it's like 600 people, and that motivates me so much because it reminds me that it's not about the following. People are coming in other ways as well. So make sure that whatever it is that you have on your website, it is something that people are just ready to buy. Make it so easy for them to just click and purchase what it is that you are offering. So I definitely recommend digital products, and that is basically one of the things that I do offer right now. Selling digital products is so key in 2026. I'm telling you guys, this is the money maker. This is where you are going to see growth, but only do it if you know that what you're offering is going to be good. Because I know there are people that sell different courses and things like that, but they're not offering people true quality content, and people feel like they're wasting their money. I feel like it may be different for me because I truly love writing, and I'm also an author on the side. Like, I have like 5 other books that I sell. I have 5 books. I just love writing, and I like making sure that I'm giving people quality stuff. But don't be that person that creates a Canva document or a PDF and it is bad quality, it is not offering what you say it's offering, and people are just feeling like their money is wasted, because then you're gonna have to refund those people and they are not gonna trust you. They're not gonna want to come back to you and purchase from you again. So I think what I also should do here is give you guys examples of faceless content that you can create. I'm gonna put her biz files in here, but I'm also going to put if you are selling accessories, or if you are selling handbags, or if you're selling sneakers, just to give you guys an idea. Like, this is truly possible to do. You just have to be consistent in it, and you also have to make sure that you are staying on top of the content, because it is also the consistency that is going to help you to see growth. So if you're not consistent, you're not going to see growth as quickly, and people aren't really going to want to go back to your page because they're probably expecting that you're not posting. So make sure you're consistent, and I'm speaking to myself as well. I want to make sure that with everything that I'm doing, I'm consistent. Even though I do have a lot on my plate, I'm doing a lot right now, I still want to be consistent in every single area, because that is truly how we see success and growth. So I truly hope that this video has helped you guys. If you want help with anything else, definitely let me know below, and I will do my best to help you guys with that, because here I want to build a strong community and I want to be of help to you guys, and I just want us to succeed together. I want all of us by the end of 2026 to come back to this video or any video and just be like, my life has changed in 2026. My life is completely different. I am living the life that I truly desire and that I know I deserve, because so many of us, we have a vision and we have these desires, but we don't know how to create the strategies that will help us to get to that place. But truly, no, I believe in you. You got this, and you need to believe in yourself as well. Do not limit yourself. Do not limit your abilities. Do not look at what other people are doing and compare to other people. Stay in your lane. Stay focused on you and what you're doing, and you are going to see the growth that you truly desire. And I truly know this for a fact. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.
Come to the